Let's have a look how I can create URLs on a DIY web page. I'll go there and I'd like to copy that URL here because this is page part of the website. Then go to the home page and add it somewhere on the page. There are a few ways to do it. The first way is I can add it to the navigation, just pasting the URL that I've copied and say title, then add it. Then the URL will be added to the navigation. The second way to do it is I can select a piece of text or just say my new page is here, and I can turn that into a URL. Select it to be a little bit larger and use that button here for link. Here is the button. Specify the full URL inside that box. Enter, and the URL is already on the page. Another way to add a URL is through an image. I can add image on the page and then use the pencil button of the image and paste the URL there. So the image turns into a URL. Another option could be to add cards, where every card can has a URL here, or also the image itself can be a URL like that. So there are different ways to add URLs on the page. And as you can see, because the image is now a URL, I can see that hand on when I'm hovering the image. Another way, of course, is to add it in here, because this is a text, and I can also mark it and specify URL. Adding external URL, like I have one from Wikipedia, and I'll copy it, can be done in an exactly the same way as the other one that was part of the website. I can paste the Wikipedia URL here and say wiki, just add it. I can also mark that thing here and paste the wiki URL there.